you're improving yourself here in this industry, you need to invest more on equipments, on experience, on teaching, on lessons, in online, face-to-face, or anywhere. Kung gusto mo talaga maging voice actor, ito ay a lifetime journey. And if you really want to be successful in this industry, there are a lot of things that you need to sacrifice. You need to let go, you need to give up, and you need to realize and reflect on. So sa pagpasok kasi ng voice acting, it's like a gambling talaga. Ibubuhos mo lahat. And you don't know kung may makukuha ka nga. Kahit ilan pang auditions ang gawan mo, may mga mapipili pa rin na it's either mas magaling sa'yo o favorite lang talaga. And is there a way to pass the audition without that, bottom line? Meron, which is to hone your skills and to master it. Hanggat maaari, i-master mo yung sinimulan mong craft. At kung nagkataon na nahihirapan ka na, napapagod ka na, di mo na alam ang gagawin mo, just take a break. Just take a break and breathe.